Hey guys, it's Brian with the Midnight Mechanic. Today we're going to show you how to remove the grill from your GMT 800 GMC truck. Now that's Yukon, Sierra, or Yukon XL. It's really easy to do. It's very similar to the Chevy version, but we wanted to show you guys how to do the GMC one specifically in case you're looking to make sure it's the same. So just like the Chevy version, it can be done with a screwdriver and a 10mm. What it is it has these little clips here, and what we're going to do is undo those clips with the screwdriver and then take the one bracket off with the 10mm. We'll show you how these work. They're very easy. They're little locking clips, and all you really have to do is turn them one way to unlock them, turn them the other way to lock them. So to get the screwdriver clips off, there's 4 of them. There's 2 up on top here, and then there's 2 pretty much directly below, kind of right here where it curves over. You can see it if you shine a flashlight in there. It's really easy to get to as long as your screwdriver is long enough. So what we're going to do is go ahead and remove all 4 of those first. So you can see the way this works. It's a little lock there. So as I undo it, it opens up to where it'll pop out. As I lock it, it clips closed. So I'm going to turn it so all 4 of them look like that. Now that all 4 of those are undone, you have to come take out this 10mm one here in the middle. Once I take that out, then everything is going to be loose here in the center section. Now the only thing holding it on is a spring clip that's right behind here. So what you have to do is grab right around the edge here and pull it straight back. Now do that on both sides. Now with that off, you can remove it right off the truck. Pull it around a little bit so it clears that turn signal. To reinstall it, it's literally just the exact same thing in reverse. You make sure that these clips on the ends are lined up with the holes in the fenders. Once those are in, you can snap those in and then work your way back, doing this bolt in the middle and these clips right here. So what we're going to do right now is I'm going to go ahead and show you how to attach those side clips. See that little square hole right there in the fender? That lines up with that little clip right there. So get that in the center of that hole and push it in until it snaps. Make sure that you're up over the turn signal when you do it. Now you need to make sure that all your clips are lined up correctly. They should look like this and not like this. This one right here got turned a little bit. So you turn it just till it goes in and latches like that. Then you can turn it until it latches and looks like that. So now I'm going to make sure that all of these 4 are correctly latched up. Now with those in, I can come back and finish off putting this in. Make sure you don't cross thread it. So there you go. It's pretty much exactly the same as the Silverado, if not exactly the same. But we wanted to show you specifically for the GMC in case you were wondering. Now, if there's anything else you'd like to learn about, don't forget, post down below in the comments and we'll try to do what we can. And check our social media out. Instagram at The Midnight Mech, TikTok at The Midnight Mechanic, and get your Mid-Mech merch at themidnightmech.com and subscribe to our channel so you can see all of our how-tos and our shows. See you guys next time.